simple spivies in you are going to extract the aloe from a aloe plant. It's really easy. I saw some other videos online and they didn't have sound and such, so I'm going to show you a really simple way to do it. So you take a leaf from like your backyard or something. This one's tiny. You can get them really huge from the grocery store. But if you get them from the yard, just make sure you don't spray pesticides, because you don't exactly want that. And you're going to need a knife and a rolling pin. So just keep that in mind. So, do this on a clean, flat surface that you can get messy. You're going to want to scrape these spines off, or cut them off, with the knife. This is going to take me a minute. Huh. What? This serrated knife? Am I not doing it right? Anyway, just get them off, I guess. I probably should have done this beforehand. Oh yeah, remember to wash it too. Just rinse it in the... The cat's making noise. Just remember to rinse it because you don't want dirt like clogging up your container, whatever container you put it in. I guess that's probably good. And cut off the end if you can. I'm stopping. Okay, so you're going to want to take the leaf and your humongous rolling pin and rock it back and forth on the top just to loosen the meat. Loosen up that meat. Ugh. Maybe turn it over and do the same thing. And then you can start to roll. You're going to hear a crunching sound if you're doing it right. It's kind of a crunching sound. Oof. It's kind of hard and it gets slippery, so be careful. But you can already see it starting to come out. It's getting all over the table. You're going to scrape that juice that's on the table off and put it into your container. Oof. This keeps for probably like a week without getting nasty. So you're probably going to want to do this often. If you're putting in your hair, that's what I'm planning to do with this. So here we have a pile of goo and the aloe. I'm going to use this container, which had parabens in it or something. Oh no, it had urea. They brag about how it's natural and stuff, but it's got formaldehyde in it. So I rinsed the bottle out and stuff. This is the tricky process. Is getting it into the bottle. I don't know if I can do it. This is going to be a very good video. So just guide the goo into your container. And then when you're ready to, you should keep it in the fridge. And when you're ready to put it on your hair, do it while it's wet, and because if you don't, it might make it like crunchy. And concentrate on the ends. So that's the profits right there. I hope you liked. If you have any questions, just comment below and we'll answer them.